Chicago meals at the Berryfield Cafe. Right there. It's my boy Doc.
You by yourself?
Yep.
Come on over.
Appreciate you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. I ain't been having time to be on social media like that, but I'm back and I'm better. You know what
You all set, baby?
Yes.
Alright, what you gonna get?
Can I get the lunch special that was on the window?
The 2x4?
Yeah.
Breakfast special?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you want your eggs?
I get them scrambled, extra cheese.
You want American or cheddar?
Can I get American?
Yes, sir.
And for protein, can I get sausage?
All links?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be all.
All good?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Come motherfucker up. Got him. I'm full, folks. You gotta pay $10. $10, y'all. I'm gonna leave $1 tip. $1. I feel full, slow as fuck. But that was some good ass breakfast. Anyway, Chicago meal at the Berryfield Cafe. Damn, I'm out hood ball. Get that motherfucker back on. Like that.